Here is the IC Station website, you can see, and here is their product. This is what is an LCD clock. This XHM219 clock temperature humidity sensor module, LCD 1602 display module. Regular price is $11.99, whereas they are giving in discount nowadays it is $9.35. So this is the actual product, you can see, and here are a few images they have given, and here is a little bit detail they have provided. So this one is, you can see here is the battery. It means that it's a battery backed up clock. While there will be no power, it will take power from here, and the time will be corrected to the microcontroller, but display will not be there, of course. So this clock can be used. This will be the display for this unit. You will power it up and will show you how it is behaving. So this can be used anywhere, in the car, in your regular computer clock, in your bedroom, anywhere you can use it for your comfort, something like this. So let's review and power up this unit. Here is this real-time clock unit, which is something very much interesting from IC Station. I'm going to remove it from the pack, and you can see just one battery, which is CR1220. This has been come off. This is 3 volt along with this unit. This is the clock, and here is the place for the battery. This battery is for backup actually, it's not for the time. For the time it needs 12 volt over here. So 12 volt you can provide it from your home solar system, or from your car if you are going to fix it in your car, or if you are going to use it as a home clock in your room. So you can provide it from your home solar system or your battery which is used there at your home, or from some power supply like this one at home. So this needs some few milliamperes, a few hundred milliamperes power over here to work with. So we are going to test it. And interesting thing is, here is the humidity sensor. The humidity reading is there. Here is the PTC or NTC, the temperature sensor here. So temperature reading will be there. So these two readings also will come along with this watch or clock. So here is the model number, XHM219. This one is, and here is this display. The display is very much famous display, 2 line some 16 character 32 character display, which is LCD 1602. This is the LCD, and this is of course from Hitachi. These are the lines, parallel data lines, and then read, write, and so many things are there. Not read, but I think write or something like that, and then enable and VSS, VDD, and backlight, something is there. So many things are there. We are not going in this detail, but instead what we are going to do is we are going to power this up. For this one, first what we have to do is we have to take off this battery from its packing and put it in here like this. This negative side, this is the negative side, here is the positive. The can is positive, of course, so this negative side will go in and the positive side will be outside. So this is normally is the case for the batteries, as I put it in. So it is. Now the clock is ready to function. For this one, what we will do is we will provide 12 volt. For the positive and negative, you should have to take care. I am going to provide 2 wires with this one. So with the 2 wires we can power this up, but the main thing is to take care of the negative and positive. Better is you have to use 2 color wires, normally red for the positive, and any other color, which is in my case black, in your case green or blue or whatever you should put for the negative or the ground. So this is the way we are going to do, and take care not to bring wires here and there and short circuit these things. This is normally the case. New people are doing such mistakes, but you should avoid these mistakes. Okay, there's alarm also. I can see one speaker, so this is alarm clock. Now I'm going to power this up with this 12 volt unit. Here you can see the inside is this positive, outside is negative. So we will power it up some way. as it is written. So I'm going to put it in the 220 volts, and then for the inside we will make this wire in such a way that it will be inserted inside this plug. We're not going to cut it because this is for another application. Somebody could say you have to cut it over here and then plug it, but this is not the case for me. So it will be some way like this. We have to split these wires, and of course I have to remove a little bit more insulation from to make it in perfect order, so that it will power up this clock. For momentarily it should power up minimum for our experimentation, it should do. So something like this will do, as I'm showing this thing also to you, so that if you are doing like this as I'm doing, so it will be easy for you. So now you can see here is this time, I don't know, 9202, this is the seconds. Here is the on time, 27.4 degrees Celsius is the temperature. You can see if it is grabbed by the camera, and blue backlight, and the relative humidity is 39%. Here is 39% humidity at the moment. If I will touch this sensor, I don't know I could change it or not. Yeah, as I touched it, you can see it climbed up to somewhat reading 73%, and it's climbing up 77 degrees Celsius now, percent now, 80%. So this is what for my finger this relative humidity is. Now it is coming down again. Now it is giving again for the air. So this one is, now we are going to set it for the time. Actually this what I'm looking at, if this is the time, so let me set it over here. So we can set somewhat like, if I will press on sometime like 2 and then set again, so it will set the minutes for me. You can see it's climbing up 5, and then set again, so it can set seconds. That's okay, I'm not going to set. So it is for the on and off. You can see now is the on time. On time I will have to select something 1, 2, sorry 2, because 2 is at the moment. So 2, and then minutes I have to select something 6 or something minute I have to select. That's okay. So 206 it should, yeah. Now as you see it just beeped. Now I have to set to some 7, and that's okay, that's okay. So I will keep it, and then after a little time this setting, as you can see, this is out. Now 207 it will beep. So now it is beeping. This is alarm actually for the night, for the morning waking up, as you can use it for the waking up alarm, and it's pretty decent alarm. You can hear, you can listen. It's okay, it's not a melody, but it's quite nice. And from, yeah, now automatically it switched off the alarm. So these are the functions. And if I will set some off time for the alarm also, I can set it. So now is the off time. I can set any time. I mean to say off time can also be set, on time and off time. And then the temperature and humidity readings, why these are selectable I don't know. These should be automatic from the sensor. This is sensor data actually, it should come from the sensor, but it's okay. Such things are there in the programming. Okay, I will touch the temperature sensor here. this is a temperature sensor. So if I will touch it and then will show you the reading, it's climbing or not, you will see. So now as you can see, it's very much sensitive. It's climbing up 31, so it should reach to some reading 37 or 35 or something like that, as my finger temperature is. So it will climb up, but for sure it will take much long time to climb such a reading. So this is, and now what I will do is I will show you one more thing. I will switch this off and will show you that the reading is retaining or not, you will see. So now is 208 and 209 and 1 second or something. So now I'm going to switch this off, so it should retain our minimum. Yeah, now it's switched off. So 209 and some seconds it should show, while I will switch this unit again, so that the reading of the time should be retained to the value where it was. This feature is good if your power is going down time to time daily, like in our area it is. So this feature will be good enough over there. Now you can see it's retaining 209 and 39 seconds. So this battery is doing its function and it is providing the backup which it should give. So something like that. So it's really nice item, nice clock. You can make a casing if you need. I mean to say, if a wooden casing would be made, but for sure we will make two holes, here one and here one, for the humidity sensor as well as for the temperature sensor. We should provide the openings so that it will get the atmospheric readings to show over here on the display. So this is the function of this clock, and hope you enjoyed it, you liked it. If you liked this video, you must thumbs it up, and also subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel. Share with your friends, and thank you for watching. These IC station products, they are very nice, they are cheap, they are good, and they are reliable.